This is an instruction video about creation of resources in Agile Team. For best quality, then please, in the YouTube player, select the 720p option for HD video. And please maximize the player. To create a new resource, choose the Resources tab in the Selector pane. The resource tree will now appear. To create a new resource you can choose Add Sub-Item from the Resource Tree context menu, or use the command, File, New, Resource, from the main menu. The Resource Property dialog will then appear. If the resource is a person that should be able to log into Agile Team, then we must create a database login. Click on the New Login button. In the dialog that has just appeared, type New Login Name. You have now the option to use either Windows or SQL authentication. When you have installed Agile Team in your own network, you will normally use Windows authentication, and just browse for an existing login account. If you run hosted, you will create a new SQL login and you must type a password for the new user, and confirm it. Now type the name of the new resource. Then type the initials or nickname for the resource. Optionally you can type an email address. Select a calendar which corresponds to the working hours of the resource. Finally press OK. You will see that the newly created resource has appeared in the resource tree. Let us create some more resources. Resources can be organized in groups. Let's create a new resource and change the resource type to group. Then type group name and its short name. You will see the new group in the resource tree. To include a resource in a group, just drag and drop that resource on the group. Confirmation dialog will appear. You can check Don't Ask Me Again button if you find it too annoying. You can change resource group membership with the resource property dialog as well. Choose Properties from the context menu. Then select Members tab. You can either add resources to group members or remove resources. Group membership can also be changed from Property dialog of a single resource. From this dialog you can also set the global permissions for the user. And inspect what projects the user have access to. Finally, we will mention the possibility to go to the Resources view for a table of all resources. Here you can directly edit any of the resource properties.